draw this one, please?
I've seen quite a few channels here on YouTube who does this kind of concept where they redraw the drawings of their toddlers, so I decided that I might as well try it for myself. My nephew has invaded my room lately and trying to draw or doodle in my sketchbooks and drawing papers, so I got an idea to redraw one of his drawings. I use a generic watercolor paper for this robot villain that he is calling. For the line details, I use a Copic multiliner, and for the colors, I use Copic markers and Faber-Castell watercolor pencils. I'm gonna be leaving you with the rest of the time lapse again, so hope you enjoy. I'm not 100% satisfied with this one. It kind of felt like I drew a mechanized Groot or something with the color scheme and all, but I hope you enjoyed this challenge, this episode. Feel free to follow me on my Instagram account. It's @Lanierski. Who knows, your suggestions there might be my next art challenge. Thanks. See you next episode.